All right, hey, we're going to dive into this row unit here now, and we're going to really talk about what are some of the major components that you guys need to be looking at before you go to the field so that we make sure we get that best stand we can. First thing I always check with a grower when I talk about planters is, do we have nice and tight parallel arms? A lot of our planter brands out there today, some of the weaker links on them are these parallel arms because they have one bushing that is pressed into either these upper or lower arms, and they wear into that metal and cause that row unit to be loose. So a great way to check that is to come back here behind this row unit and see, do I have any slop or play in these? The old adage used to be a ½ inch of play. We were good. But as we moved into that, we now have learned that as we put those row units into the ground and we pull forward at 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 miles an hour, the more loose play we have in here, the more vibration we send into that row unit shank, and that meter and our seed delivery is going to be majorly affected by that. So as we think about that, we want to make sure these row units and these bushing systems are tight up here, and that parallel arm does not give any slack or vibration back into that row unit. So some of the things that are out there today to help you guys do that is there's a number of kits. Precision Planting has come out with a kit that is a double bushing parallel arm kit like you see on this planter, to where it has a hardened outer bushing with a soft inner bushing in it. And when we do that, as we wear this planter and we wear those parallel arms, all we're going to replace is that soft inner bushing. We're never going to have to replace these big metal parts anymore. Makes it a lot easier on you guys to update those every year and service them, but also keeps this row unit tighter longer. So it's less service year over year as we are going through these planters to make sure they're ready for spring.